how to buy AILayer token. So this token came under the symbol of AIL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token will be listed on MEXC. So how to buy this token? So go and log into your account on MEXC. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC account, go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, what you need to do after that, click on the search bar and type AIL and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. As you can see, wait a few seconds. This token, it will be listed about 8 hours from now. So after this token, it will be available for trading. What you need to do, click on limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see the total. This is how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account, and click here on buy AIL. Now, if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy AIL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.